Okay, so data manipulation, it doesn't exactly sound like the most thrilling topic.
It's not the sexiest thing
in the world.
But stick with us here.
Yeah.
Because we're talking about the kind of data magic
that can really make
your life easier. Easier no matter what you do.
Yeah, and it's more common than you think.
Like, imagine taking messy data and transforming it into perfectly organized reports.
It's all about getting control of.
Personalized document.
Of your data.
Yeah, you name it.
Right.
That's
the power.
That's the power of Power Query.
The Power Query.
And today we're focusing on a specific function in the M formula language called Combiner.CombineTextByLengths.
It's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful.
I know.
I know it is.
But it's such a cool
Trust me.
This one's a game changer.
What's fascinating about it is that it lets you manipulate text with unbelievable precision. It's like having a set of very fine-tuned tools for cutting and pasting text based on exact lengths.
So it's not just about making...
Not just about aesthetics.
Data.
It's about pounds.
Yeah, it's about unlocking...
Control.
Real control over your information.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's about getting things done.
But before we get into that, can you tell us a bit more about this M formula language?
Sure.
It sounds
kind of scary, doesn't it?
Like something out of a secret society.
Right, like it's this like hidden knowledge. It's really not that mysterious. M actually stands for mashup. And it's a powerful language specifically designed for transforming data in Power Query. And it lets you do all kinds of things like filter, sort, merge, and even combine text all with just a few lines of code.
Okay, so back to our star of the show.
All right.
Combiner.CombineTextByLengths.
Yes.
How does this function actually work in practice?
Okay, so let's say you have a spreadsheet with customer data, but the addresses are all crammed into one column.
Oh, I've seen that.
Yeah, we've all seen that, right?
Yeah.
So you've got the street, city, state, and zip code all jumbled together.
Oh, yeah, that's a mess.
Yeah, it's a mess.
Yeah.
You could use this function to split that column into separate organized columns based on the typical lengths of each element.
That sounds really useful, but wouldn't manually splitting the text be easier?
Yeah, that's a great question.
For a simple task like that?
Yeah, absolutely.
When does using this function become truly advantageous?
You're right.
Okay.
For very small data sets, manual manipulation might be quicker.
Right.
But think about situations with thousands or even millions of rows.
Okay.
Or scenarios where the data is consistently messy.
Okay.
Maybe you're importing data from a system that doesn't format addresses consistently.
Right.
That's when this function really shines.
Yeah.
It allows you to automate that cleanup process and ensure consistency across your entire data set.
So it's all about efficiency and scalability.
Absolutely.
Okay.
It's about working smarter, not harder.
Right. But I'm also interested in the creative applications.
Yes.
You mentioned earlier.
Right.
How can this be used to generate personalized documents or presentations?
So one example from the material that we looked at describes using this function to create custom invoices. So imagine you have a database with customer information and purchase history.
Right.
You could use Combiner.CombineTextByLengths to combine data from various columns and generate a personalized invoice for each customer, with their name, address, purchase details, and even personalized messages.
Yeah.
All perfectly formatted.
That's impressive.
It's pretty cool.
So this really is a tool that can benefit anyone who works with text.
Absolutely.
Not just data analysts.
Anyone who wants to get control of
their information.
Having a microscopic text editor.
Yeah, it's like
that can rearrange and combine information.
Super precise. Scalpel.
With incredible precision.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the beauty of Power Query is that as you learn more functions like this, you start to see the potential for combining them in even more creative ways.
So if we connect this to the bigger picture, learning even a single function.
Absolutely.
Like Combiner.CombineTextByLengths
Can totally change the work.
Open up a world of possibilities.
Right.
For working with information.
Yeah.
More efficiently and creatively. It's about empowering yourself.
Okay.
To take control of your data.
Right.
And use it to solve problems. Automate tasks.
Yeah.
And even unlock new insights.
So to wrap things up,
okay,
I want to leave you with a challenge.
I like it.
Think about a problem in your own work.
Yeah.
That might be solved. Using this kind of precise text manipulation.
It's out there.
Maybe you can automate
yeah.
a tedious report formatting task.
Yeah.
Generate personalized emails for clients, or create dynamic presentations that adapt to different audiences.
That's the beauty of it.
The possibilities are truly endless.
It is.
Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely.
For this deep dive into Combiner.CombineTextByLengths.
It was fun.
Until next time.
See ya.
Keep on querying.
Bye.